This is Mike Reed with cEntellect, and welcome to this week's Natural Gas Highlights. We remain bullish for the 23rd consecutive week. We're probably a first mover on the bullish side of natural gas, or at least amongst the first movers. Remain bullish on really four factors I want to walk you through. The first is natural gas storage is not going to get full. Over the trailing 4 weeks, we've averaged about 19 BCF above last year's levels. We need to average about 98 BCF above last year's level to fill storage. Obviously, with the injection season winding down, it'll wind down somewhere between the first and the second week of November. There's not enough time. Our current median forecast for gas storage, it'll finish a little bit north of 3,200 BCF compared to a normalized 3,800 BCF. We're going to be down around 600 BCF. The second reason is, although power generation was up last week 1% year on year, the real story is natural gas generation was up 9%. So natural gas generation continues to capture a larger share of power generation. We've seen that pattern all year long. The third reason is the industrial demand complex in the U.S. is doing extremely well. It's only going to continue to grow, not only for power generation demand, but also in the petrochemical sector. We see it up for the 20th consecutive week. It's up 4.5% year on year. And the fourth and final reason is the natural gas directed rig count. So this is not associated gas. This is natural gas directed rig count only. It remains up for the 19th. Remains down for the 19th consecutive week. We're down 8% year on year. So we put these four things together. It really drives our bullish view. In terms of how well this trade is done, this is the chart since inception of the trade back in May of 2018, and you can see that as of today, unlevered, we're up 14.7%. So this trade has done pretty well. We originally had a fundamental view on natural gas prices finishing November at about $3.25 per million. As of today, it's bouncing between $3.20 and $3.24 million. So we're basically at our fundamental target point, but we're going to reassess this as we go forward. For this and much more information, as well as the bearish side of the natural gas complex, please see us at cEntellect.com.